So on the previous page, we've already identified where the auscultation sites are. So to auscultate, what's over, I'm now going to have a listen to your answer. Okay. I might ask you to take some deep breaths in or out at certain points, but unless I do, just continue breathing normally. It doesn't matter whether you start with the mitral area or the aortic, but I start with one of those two rather than starting in the middle. Personally, I tend to start with the mitral. So we're going to listen initially with our diaphragm. And whilst listening, I'm going to take my left hand and just feel your pulse. And move to the tricuspid. Up to the pulmonary. And finally the aorta. One of the really important things when you auscultate is to make sure that you auscultate for long enough to actually assess the heart sound. Junior medical students often are very quick, which means they're not really listening. So really listen for that S1, S2, or what we call lub-dub, lub-dub.